Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tanya Aisha. And today we are going to talk about one of the most amazing book that I read recently. That is none other than A Man Called Ove by Frederick Backman. And this is a book about an old grumpy man who is now lost his all purpose of life. It's about a man who is grumpy, who is always complaining about everything, doesn't like anyone in this world, and is now so done with life that he no longer has a purpose to live. He's constantly trying to kill himself throughout the book, but we see that how it always doesn't go according to his way and how he's always saved. Okay, so I don't want to give you any spoilers because this is really amazing book, and I want you all to just try it once. Okay, so in this story we see that Ove's wife has died and now he no longer wants to live anymore. Okay, throughout the story we see a blend of the present time and the past time and all the things that happened with Ove to make the grumpy man he is now. And it's a typical story where there is a person who is very grumpy but he has a heart of gold. So the same case is with Ove, that when we get to know why he is the way he is today, and all of his rules and regulation, because of his strict rules and his rudeness, not much people approach him, or he's not so much liked by other peoples because literally he's very rude, obviously very rude, and he has a lot of strict principle that you do not have to park cars here and there and things like that. This book also shows that how one's life gets affected and impacted by other persons around him. Okay, because his life is completely changed when his new neighbors come, and how his relationship it gets keep on improving with other people around there, and how different people affect your life. And the most amazing thing about this book is that the side characters are not just side characters, they have their own importance in the book, be it the cat, be it the neighbor called Parvane, who is a pregnant lady, and how she constantly make Ove behave, make him well behaved sometimes. These are some of the things that I really loved about the book. Also tells you the different relationship one have with different person, be it a romantic relationship, be it a platonic relationship, be it a neighbor's relationship. It is beautifully shown in this book, and how friendship is very important, and how a man like Ove judge people based on their clothing style, based on the car they drive. Ove have a different craze for this Saab, which is a type of car that he absolutely loves. Who also is someone who used to judge people on the basis of the car they drive, and he's someone who has a very strict, strong belief and principle based on which he often got hurted in the process. And there is so much dry humor in it, and there is also so much a lot of things about the society that we live in which is tackled by Ove, be it the fraudery, be it that you cannot fight with policemen or people in white or the government people or the people at higher authorities, how common people get neglected, or how sometimes they're being oppressed by them but they can't do anything about it. So all these things are beautifully shown in this book. This book is completely heartwarming. At the very end you will get so emotionally attached to him that you're just going to love the book. This is one of those first books that I read something like this, where this story is not fantasy or romantasy or something like that. It's just completely normal story about a man and his day-to-day life activity, what he's doing and why he's just the way he is. There are and beautiful quotes throughout the book. That's some of them I have underlined. Oh, and I have to read them for you. If you can't depend on someone being on time, you shouldn't trust them with anything more important either. And the other was like, you don't fool me, darling, his wife said. You'll dance on inside Ove when no one is watching, and I'll always love you for that, whether you like it or not. Maybe to her, destiny was something. That was none of his business. But to him, destiny was someone. That is how. And there are more such beautiful quotes in this book which I'm not able to find right now, but I'll make a short video of that. So that was all about this book. Okay, and I absolutely love this book. I'm really going to give this book 5 out of 5 stars. it was like a warm hug to me, and by recommending this, I'm sending a lot of warm hugs to you all. So this is all about this video, okay? And this is one of the first Frederick Backman's book that I've read, and I'm looking to read more of his books in the future. So that's all. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care of yourself. Bye. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.